Hello and welcome. And today is the day. XRP is back in the third largest crypto spot since the SEC has dropped its case against Ripple. Now, this means a good bit of things. We're going to jump into this article and another. It explains a couple of things you all need to know. If you hold XRP, we will also be jumping into the XRP live chart, and we will also, for the first time, be jumping into the Solana live chart. And we're going to take a look at Solana. We're going to take a look at XRP. We're going to take a look at all this nice, beautiful news that's coming out. If that's something you're interested in, smash that like button. Let's get it. Okay, guys, welcome back to Crypto Mac. As you guys can see here on my screen, XRP becomes the third largest crypto after SEC drops its case against Ripple. Man, I've been waiting for this. Right now, it seems the market is lagging somewhat. I guess they have not officially released it directly from the SEC. This is news reporters and news articles being covered about it. It hasn't actually had the SEC come out and say, we're over, we're done. Okay, so I think that is why it hasn't really boosted yet. And it says in the article that the regulatory had charged Ripple with the alleged sale of unregistered securities in December 2020, while the company secured a partial victory in the court of law in July 2023. Judge ruled it not a security. The latest announcement marked the closure of a 4-year-long battle. So there we are. It is officially over. It is time to just officially announce it from the SEC. So, and now the price jumps over 12% as the end of the lawsuit. They have a fundraiser, something called XRP Turbo. It raised 120,000 XRP. That's crazy. That's about well over probably $250,000 more. And it's pretty big. Now it says with Ripple price now posed for potential explosive growth, investor attention has rapidly turned toward promising altcoins with Ripple's expanding ecosystem. If you're my family, I've told you, it's not just here. It will be globally. It is going to take over a lot of things. It's going to help many tokens. It's going to help a lot of stuff move faster at a cheaper price. That is what we all want. We want better quality at a cheaper price. I don't want to exit $5 that look like something that came out of a rat's ass. I want something that looks like it came out of a goat's ass and it didn't cost me nothing. And it's the tastiest thing I've ever eaten. Now, let's jump into the charts real fast. I want to take a quick look at what's happening right now. We had a little bit of a dip. It's not for panic selling. It is a buying opportunity. Remember that. Okay, now that I got the chart pulled up, let's take a quick look. We are still in this rising bull flag from November when Trump got elected. We are still bouncing in between. Looks like we've dropped below, got bounces off of our $2.10 support. I'm sorry, $2.15 support. It seems we broke out and came down. Each time we break out, we end up getting back in to the wedge. And as of right now, we are inside of it. Not only are we retesting the support in this rising wedge, we are also in a falling wedge on the 1 hour, which is a bullish pattern. These patterns tend to bounce 2 or 3 times before getting about 80% into the apex, before they have an 80% potential to boost to the upside. Now, that is what I'm waiting on right now. We're already on top of our $2.42 bubble and bouncing off of our bull flag support line. We're going to keep an eye on this pattern. I'm waiting for it to break from here. Hopefully it does, because I will be looking at, I believe it's about $2.80 if I'm not mistaken, but let's take a quick look. If it breaks from here, about $2. Yep. Say it breaks about right here. About $2.75. All we need to do, guys, is get above this $2.68 resistance line. And I believe we got a perfect chance to $3 and beyond. Hopefully, if that happens, that would confirm that $2.42 is now the bottom. So that's what we're looking at in the immediate short term for XRP. Long term, we are still in a big flag. Any day now, we are going to boost out of this, and we probably will see $5 over the next month. So that's XRP. I would also like to jump into Solana. It is making some pretty big moves fundamentally and with the government all by itself. Now, right now, we are in a falling wedge as well. Now, when this wedge ends up playing out, we could get a nice boost to the upside, at least to the previous high, which was $2.95. So that is really what we're waiting on now. That would be almost the $300 mark. $2.95 is the all-time high. We're hoping to top that. Now, the RSI is saying it's somewhat oversold down here, so I am looking for a nice little pop. We have the room right here in the RSI to get more buying volume and more buying opportunity. Even on the RSI, we have a bearish divergence. Eventually, this will break out and give us a pump to the upside. Mainly these two at the same time. It looks like it's about to do it right now. So we're going to keep an eye on that. I'm going to get more fundamentals behind Solana. I'm not very familiar with it. I will let everyone know what you need to know if you want to hold Solana. Now, if you stayed with me to the very end, thank you very, very much. You can check out any of my latest stuff on the left side. You can subscribe to me if you haven't already on the right side, guys. And please, like always, please take care of yourself and each other.